Hello grade 5, it's me again, Sir Jeff, your math teacher. Come and join me in my mathematics class today. Happy learning! Good day! Today, we will discuss the divisibility rules of 4, 8, 11, and 12. Let us answer first our preliminary activity. Write yes if the statement is correct and no if it is not. Number 1. 105 is divisible by 3 and 5. Very good. The answer is yes. Number 2. 324 is not divisible by 6. You're right. The answer is no. Number 3. 5,363 is divisible by 2. Good job! The answer is no. Now, let's read and analyze the story problem. There are 128 pupils in grade 5 of Mrs. Esguera. The principal wants to group them equally into 8 sections. Is this possible? It is also possible to group it into 4 sections. Let us analyze the problem. First, we need to understand the problem. Let's find what is asked in the problem. The possibility to group 128 into 8 sections. And the possibility to group 128 into 4 sections. What are the given? The given are 128 pupils, 8 sections, and then 4 sections. Now, let us make a plan. What is the operation to be used? We need to use division. What is the mathematical sentence? 128 divided by 8 equals n. And then, 128 divided by 4 equals n. Let us carry out the plan. 128 divided by 8 is 16. It means, it is possible to group 128 into 8 sections because it has an exact answer of 16 pupils per section. 128 divided by 4 is 32. It is also possible to group 128 into 4 sections because it has an exact answer of 32 pupils per section. Now, let's look back. When you multiply 16 times 8, the answer is 128. When you multiply 32 times 4, the answer is also 128. In our previous story problem that we answered, we grouped 128 into 8 and 4 sections. It is possible because 128 is divisible by 8 and 4. Now, how can we know that a number is divisible by 4, 8, 11, and 12 without actual computation? Divisibility rule of 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the last 2 digits is divisible by 4. Examples: 412. The last 2 digits of 412 is 12. Is 12 divisible by 4? Yes. Hence, 412 is divisible by 4. 708. The last two digits of 708 is 8. Is 8 divisible by 4? Yes. Hence, 708 is divisible by 4. 24,040. The last two digits of 24,040 is 40. Is 40 divisible by 4? Yes. Hence, 24,040 is divisible by 4. Numbers ending in two zeros are also divisible by 4. Examples: 200, 4,000, 700, 900. The last two digits of 200, 4,000, 700, and 900 is two zeros. Hence, these numbers are all divisible by 4. Let's practice. Is 1,238 divisible by 4? You're right. The answer is no. Is 3,400 divisible by 4? Very good. The answer is yes. Divisibility rule of 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the last three digits is divisible by 8. Examples: 8,016. The last three digits of 8,016 is 16. Is 16 divisible by 8? Yes. Hence, 8,016 is divisible by 8. 1,248. The last three digits of 1,248 is 248. Is 248 divisible by 8? Yes. Hence, 1,248 is divisible by 8. 36,432. The last three digits of 36,432 is 432. Is 432 divisible by 8? Yes. Hence, 36,432 is divisible by 8. Numbers ending in three zeros are also divisible by 8. Examples: 2,000, 4,000, 7,000, 89,000. All these numbers end in three zeros. Hence, all of these numbers are divisible by 8. Let's practice the divisibility rule of 8. Is 2,640 divisible by 8? Good job! The answer is yes. Is 53,000 divisible by 8? You're right. The answer is yes. Let's move on to the divisibility rule of 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of the odd place digits and the sum of the even place digits is 0 or divisible by 11. Examples: 154. The odd place digit of 154 are 1 and 4. The even place digit of this number is 5. So we need to get the sum of our odd place digit. So 1 plus 4, and also the sum of our even place digit, that is 5. So since our even place digit is only 1, so we need to subtract the sum of our odd place digit, 5, minus the sum of our even place digit, that is 5. So 5 minus 5, the answer is 0. Therefore, based on the rule of the divisibility of 11, 154 is divisible by 11. (1,782). The odd place digit of this number is 1 and 8. The even place digit of this number is 7 and 2. Now, let us add the sum of the odd place digits and the sum of even place digits. 1 plus 8, the sum is 9. 7 plus 2, the sum is also 9. Now, let us subtract the sum of odd place digit and the sum of even place digit. 9 minus 9, the answer or the difference is 0. Therefore, 1,782 is divisible by 11. 5,093. Now, let us get the sum of the odd place digits and the sum of the even place digits. The odd place digits in this number are 5 and 9. 5 plus 9, the answer is 14. The even place digits of this number is 0 and 3. So 0 plus 3, the answer is 3. Now, let us get the difference of 14 and 3. 14 minus 3, the difference is 11. 11 is divisible by 11. Therefore, 5,093 is divisible by 11. Let's practice the divisibility rule of 11. Is 432 divisible by 11? Good job! The answer is no. Is 7,436 divisible by 11? Very good. The answer is yes. Let's proceed to the divisibility rule of 12. A number is divisible by 12 if it is divisible by both 3 and 4. Examples: 324. When you add the digit of 324, 3 plus 2 plus 4, the sum is 9. It is divisible by 3. The last two digits of 324 is 24. It is divisible by 4. 324 is both divisible by 3 and 4. Therefore, it is divisible by 12. (1,908). When you add the digit of 1,908, 1 plus 9 plus 0 plus 8, the sum is 18. It is divisible by 3. The last two digits of 1,908 is 8. It is divisible by 4. Therefore, 1,908 is both divisible by 3 and 4. Therefore, it is divisible by 12. Let's practice the divisibility rule of 12. Is 5,232 divisible by 12? Nice! The answer is yes. Is 288 divisible by 12? Very good. The answer is yes. Please ready a pen and paper for our activity 1. The title of this activity is Where Do I Belong? Cross out the number that is not belong to the group. 124, 548, 672, 253. You're right. The correct answer is 253. 9,000, 8,000, 11,532. Nice! The correct answer is 532. 624, 11,112, 154, 648. Very good. The correct answer is 154. 176, 140, 231, 792. Good job! The correct answer is 140. 2,300, 500, 900, 11,000. Great! The correct answer is 11,000. Keep in mind, a number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits is divisible by 4 or it ends in two zeros. A number is divisible by 8 if the last three digits is divisible by 8 or it ends in three zeros. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of the odd place digits and the sum of the even place digits is 0 or divisible by 11. A number is divisible by 12 if it is divisible by both 3 and 4. Please ready a pen and paper for our activity 2, entitled 4 Numbers 1 Rule. Tell whether the divisibility rule that can use for the set of numbers 112, 700, 600, 724. Very good. Divisibility rule of 4. $231, $363, $253, $682. Good job! Divisibility rule of 11. 9,000, 4,000, 8,000, 11,000. Good job! Divisibility rule of 8. 4,212, 624, 2,532, 2,004. Good job! The answer is divisibility rule of 12. Good job! Now, let us have our assessment. Which of the following is divisible by 4? 400, 123, 501, 102. The answer is A. Which of the following is divisible by 11? 253, 700, 214, 315. The answer is A. 253. Which of the following is divisible by 12? 709, 901, 546, 312. The answer is D. 312. Which of the following is divisible by 8? 208, 128, 840, 135. The answer is C. 840. Which of the following numbers is not divisible by both 4 and 8? 1,100, 15,000, 9,000, 17,000. The answer is A. 1,100. For your enrichment activity, put a check on the blank before each number if the statement is correct and cross if it is not. Thank you for watching and listening. I hope you learned a lot. Always remember, matsaya ang matuto ng math. Hanggang sa muli!